Small lot, big yield. If you're told a site is impossible because of parking constraints, you're talking to the wrong people. We just turned a 4,000 square foot impossible lot into a high yield asset. By installing 2 puzzle parking lift towers standing 7 levels high, we're delivering 116 vertical parking spaces on a footprint where a conventional garage wouldn't even fit a ramp. This is a feat of engineering designed to maximize every inch of urban land. For the developer, the math changed instantly. 116 stalls on a tiny 4,000 square feet footprint. Build time, significantly faster than traditional concrete. Cost, drastically lower than a standard garage. As a US-based turnkey OEM, we don't just resell equipment. We design, manufacture, and install the entire solution. That means 1 point of accountability, 0 middlemen, and 0 finger pointing. Stop letting site limitations kill your pro forma. Need parking built fast, for less cost, and in less space? Let's maximize your yield with our car stackers and puzzle parking lift systems. Call the Automated Parking Company for a free consultation at 877-827-2611.